Hello viewers, this is Geeta. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see CA Foundation Accountancy question number 3B of May 2026 for 10 marks incomplete records. I'll just go through the sum so that we will go step by step how to prepare it. Just for convenience, I have already prepared the sum. I'll be explaining you to how to go with that. Okay. Kanchan runs a business of hosiery and she does not maintain proper books of accounts. Okay. So now first of all in incomplete records, I have told in my earlier videos also, first you have to look for whether the capital of previous year is given or not. Yes, the opening capital is given. So there is no need of preparing opening balance sheet. Second thing, we have to check. Here, there is a question mark, debtor. The closing balance is not given, so you have to prepare a debtor account. Then we have to check whether the credit purchases are given. If it is so, we need not to prepare, but if it is not given, we have to prepare a creditors account also. And when you go through the bank account, they didn't give the closing balance. So we have to prepare a bank account. And then while preparing the closing balance, we would be able to find out the closing capital. So this is not a worry at all. Now going through this, collection is given and there is a life policy matured during the year and the amount is retained in the business. This means this is your this is your additional capital. Okay, excuse me. This is your additional capital. Okay, next one is they have given some sale of furniture. So this is your additional capital. Okay, my hand got fractured, so I am unable to write properly. So please bear with that writing. Okay, sale of furniture and fittings. So they have given some sale and paid to creditors. They didn't give the credit purchases. So we have to prepare the creditors account. Okay, expenses paid and new furniture is also brought. So some furniture is sold, some furniture is brought. So you have to make a furniture account also. Okay, so the personal drawings is also given and they have given some adjustments, that is additional information. For all adjustments, we have to book 2 places. That you keep it in mind. So they have given the credit sales, but they give the COGS, cost of goods sold. They give the profit on sales. We have to find out the exact sales. Okay. So expenses paid include fire insurance premium of stock of 7,500, which is paid on 1st January. Generally, whenever the insurance premium is paid, it is paid for 1 year with the from the date of payment. Okay, the insurance policy is effective from the date of payment. So it is only from 1st January it is effective. So for the current year, because we have to prepare the balance sheet as on 31st March 2026 and trading and P&L account for March 26. So this insurance premium should be taken into account only for 3 months, January to March. Balance is paid extra, that is prepaid. So this will, the amount prepaid will appear in your balance sheet. Keep it in mind. So discount allowed to debtor and discount received from creditors both will appear in your debtor and creditor account as well as in your P&L account. So now they have asked us to prepare trading and P&L account of Kanchan for the year ended 31st March 26 and the balance sheet as on 31st March. So first let us start with the furniture account. So furniture account, you have to write the opening balance. It is an asset. It will always have a debit balance. So write the opening balance on the debit side and write the closing balance on the credit side first. Okay, just do that. Then we will go one by one. See here, I have prepared the furniture account. First, you write only the balance brought down and the balance carried down. We will be entering it one by one whenever the item comes in. Next thing is that debtor account. Debtor account, you have to put the balance brought down on the debit side. Okay. So I have opened a debtor account also, balance brought down on the debit side. Go step by step like this. Okay, then your question will definitely match the balance sheet. You will not end up in any mistakes. Trade creditors. We have seen that they have not given the credit purchases. So we have to, though the balances are given, we have to open a creditor account. When you write the furniture account, sorry, I forgot, this 47,500 we have to enter in our balance sheet also. See here, you have to write it in your current balance sheet, 47,500. Then when comes to debtor account, opening balance is given, closing is not given, so we cannot write in the current balance sheet. Only in debtor account we will be writing. But in creditor account, they have given the opening as well as closing. So write both the things in your creditor account. Balance brought down on the credit side and carried down on the debit side, and write it as well as in your current balance sheet, 34,775. Okay. Next, moving on to the next item, inventories. Don't make any hurry. You can write it properly, step by step. You will end up in a very good solution. You will not have to worry about anything. Inventories opening and closing is given. Both will appear in your trading account as well as this will appear in your closing balance sheet. So open all the accounts and then start entering one by one. So trading and P&L account, opening balance 58,000, closing stock 68,000, and come to your balance sheet, write the closing stock 68,000. Okay. Going to the next item. Just for time saving, I have already filled up the figures so that I'd be able to save your time. Bank account, they have given the opening balance, no closing balance. So we cannot write in the balance sheet until the account is closed. Just we will open the bank account and write the opening balance. 28,850 balance brought down. Bank account is a debit balance, so we are writing it. Okay. And conscience capital account, 1,43,200. Write it in your current balance sheet in the inner column, 1,43,200. Okay. So now we have closed this box. Completely this box is entered. You you don't require anywhere else because you have entered this figure in your closing balance sheet. This in your furniture account, this also, and debtor account you have written this, and creditor account, both in creditor account in your current balance sheet. Inventories you have written in your trading account both and your current balance sheet. Bank account we have opened and we have written the balance brought down and we have written the capital account. Now we don't require this box at all. So this is over. Now coming to the next box. So do like this. Collection from trade debtors. Go to your debtor account. On the credit side, write 4,34,500. Debtor account 4,34,500 by bank account or by cash account. Then there is a life policy matured during the year and the amount was retained in the business. It means it is an additional capital. Money has been received in your bank account. This also received in your bank account. So we have to enter both the things in our bank account. See here in your bank account, you have to write two debtors for 34,500 and additional capital 15,000. This additional capital will appear in the current balance sheet 15,000, and this 434,500 will appear in your debtor account by cash account. Okay, that I have already told you. Now coming to the next item, sale of furniture. Book value is 20,000. They have sold it for 16,000. So there is a loss of 4,000. So this will go to your 20,000 will go to your furniture account by bank account as well as by P&L account. So 4,000 will appear in your P&L account, and this 16,000 will appear in your bank account also, because you have received the money. So what we will do, we will first go to the bank account, then we will go to the furniture account. So bank account to sale of furniture, we have got 16,000, and there is a loss. So you can book it in your P&L account, the loss of 4,000 rupees. So 20 is over. Now this 20 will go to your furniture account. By bank account, we got 16,000. The furniture has gone out. So credit what goes out. Then P&L account 4,000 rupees. So we did this thing also. So all the entries were made up to this. Paid to creditors. So bank money has gone out of the bank. 3,70,000, and this will appear in your creditors account also. Okay, in bank account 3,70,000 is paid to creditors, and in your creditors account to bank account 3,70,000. So both the places it was recorded. Expenses paid 69,250. But there is an adjustment here. Okay, so let us go to the bank account first. 69,250 was paid out of the bank. So 69,250 is paid. But now we have to make an adjustment of 7,500. We will come back to that. This 69,250 we will be writing in our P&L account in the inner column. 69,250. We will do the adjustment when the number comes. You don't worry about it. Okay, it is written in both places. One, this has gone to your bank account and it to your P&L account. See here again I am explaining. 434,500 is collection. This goes to your bank debit side collection, and it goes to your debtor account. This is also a collection, and it goes to additional capital account. Then sale of furniture 20,000 we are going to reduce from the furniture account. 16,000 by bank we have got this amount, and 4,000 is the loss. In your bank account we have to record the receipt of 16,000, and in our P&L account there is a loss of 4,000. So see here, 16 plus 4 will appear in your debit side of bank account and P&L account, and 20,000 will appear on the credit side of furniture account. So both the aspects has been covered. Now coming to creditors, paid to creditors. So you have to record it in the creditors account on the debit side, and in the bank account money has gone out, so it will be recorded on the credit side. Expenses paid will go to your bank account credit side and on the debit side of P&L account, but make it in inner column because we got some adjustments. Then purchase of furniture. Now again the money has gone out. So in the bank account write it by purchase of furniture 18,000. Okay. Now in the furniture account we have to add this 18,000. Okay. So this is also over. Now Kanchan's personal drawings per month. So please read it very carefully. Per month 2,000. So she would have withdrawn 24,000. So bank would have paid. So in the bank account, go there, write on the credit side by drawings account 24,000. At the same time, in your balance sheet, less the drawing by 24,000. Okay. So this also all the double entry has been made for this column also. Now we have to make double entry for some of these items also. Now goods are sold at 20% profit on sales, but we are given cost of goods sold. So all of you know, if it is 20% on sales, it is 25% on cost. So 3,60,000 into 25%, you make one calculation. 25%, it is 90,000 profit. So add that. So we got the sales figure. Now immediately we have to record the sales in our debtor account to credit sales 4,50,000 in one place, and again in our trading account on the credit side by sales 4,50,000. Now moving on to the next adjustment. Next adjustment is 7,500. You divide 7,500 by 12, multiply it by 3. That is pertaining to this year. 9 months is prepaid. So 7,500 divided by 12 into 9 will come to 5,625. This we have to reduce from the expenses paid 69 to 50. We have to reduce 5625 and show this prepaid on our asset side. See here, there are only debit and credit aspect. When you subtract on the debit side, it is you are making a credit. Okay. See here in the P&L account, you are subtracting. So this is credit aspect. So we got 63,625 and go to your balance sheet. So it on the asset side, that is a debit aspect. So both the aspects has been over for this adjustment also. Now coming to trade discount allowed and received. This will appear in your debtor account and creditor account and in your P&L account. So okay. So go to the debtor account, by discount allowed 2350, and in your P&L account to discount allowed 2350. At the same way discount received, we will go to the creditors account. Discount received is 1725, and we will go to the P&L account for discount received 1725. Now as far as all the adjustments items, everything is entered wherever care is taken very cautiously, putting both the aspects for all the additional information. Now we have to close one by one account so that we are able to arrive at the correct figure. So now we are going to close the furniture account. When I totaled the debit side, 58,000 was the opening balance and we purchased 18,000. So the total comes to 76,000, and 20,000 furniture was sold. And this figure is already given. 47,500 closing figure is given. But when we see that there was a difference of 8,500, of course, this will be the depreciation. Don't forget to write balancing figure. Write it in full form. And all debit, credit, everything you write it in the books of Kanchan. Everything, please follow that. So now the depreciation should go to your P&L account. First we will go to P&L account. Then we will do the rest of the things. 8,500 is entered here. Now one account is completely over, and we have entered this 47,500 in the current balance sheet also, so no worry. Now coming to debtor account, opening balance was given, and credit sales we have found out by calculating the profit margin for 50,000, and cash paid, sorry, cash received from debtors is 4,34,100, and discount allowed is 2,350. So now totaling this and getting a balancing figure is 48,000. This will appear in your current year balance sheet, 48,000. Furniture already it was given in the sum, so we have entered it. Okay. So now we entered this balancing figure. Now coming to the creditors account, balance brought down was given, carried down was also given, and they have given 3,70,000 was paid to creditors, and there was a discount receipt 1725. When you take the balancing figure, it also comes the same figure as 3,70,000. This should go to your purchase trading account, sorry, for purchases. So the purchases will be 3,70,000. We have already calculated the credit sale, so we put that one also. Closing stock was already given. So we have closed the creditors account also. Only the balancing figure has gone to your trading account. Now coming to the bank account. Next closer is bank account. When you close the bank account, we see that the closing balance comes to 13,100. So we have to write this in our current balance sheet. 13,000. Don't forget to write immediately. Then we will be closing the this thing. See here, 47,500 was given in the sum. Debtor we found out. Closing stock was given in the sum. Bank account we found out. And insurance prepaid we calculated and brought it here. Okay. And capital was given already. Additional capital we have got it. And drawings we wrote and creditors were given. Okay. Now let us close the trading account. When you close the trading account, the gross profit comes to 90,000. So brought down that gross profit, we have got a loss on sale of furniture and the expenses paid after reducing the prepaid and then discount allowed and depreciation 8,500. We got the net profit transferred to capital account is 13,250. Now we have to add that 13,250. So now comes to 1,47,450 and then the creditors, the total matches 1,82,225. I hope it's clear to all of you. If you have any query, please do write in the comment box. Don't hesitate and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.